closing the orgasm gap and pleasure for all. Like I said to many
Um,
women here on the island, the revolution is coming. We should come as well, just like the man. Because most of the time the man comes and it's like, I know my job, I know what I'm doing, I don't need to change anything. So it's a lot of talking, changing beliefs, and asking a lot of questions to see where the barrier is. And I know it's shameful for a woman to tell their man that you're not pleasing me sexually as you should. It's like you're breaking down his manhood completely. But men should understand that they have not been taught properly. And everything is in here, in this small book. I'm amazed. Nice job, really.
I'm speaking to Curaçao's one and only sex and intimacy coach, educator, and counselor, Charifa Janga.
Okay, that's what I like every woman to claim their sensuality and sexuality. Most men are visuals. I mean, you guys are visual creature. And it's not because you're already married, you don't take time for yourself and prep up for your man, take care of yourself. And there's so much sensual movement, the touch. I mean, men love to be touched. They don't ask for it, but they came from a woman. They have been nurtured by women. So the disconnection, I don't know where it came from, but I mean, most men love the way we women take care of them. But taking care is not only cooking and cleaning, women, ladies. No, take care means you have to be sexual and sensual as well for your man. You have to take time and listen to your man as well. And and help him in his mental state. Most women here on the island, there's a thing going on that when they fight between their marriage, the women, the way to like punish the man is, okay, then you don't get any sex from me tonight. And I say, ladies, don't do that. Please don't do that. Sex is a time of bonding. Maybe the man doesn't know how to say, I'm sorry, I did something wrong. But when you're having sexual intercourse, that energy, it's the sorry. It's the getting back together. And later on, you can talk about the problem. But never, ever punish your man saying, I'm not having sex with you, because he's going to get it somewhere else. I mean, there's three women for every man on this island. There's a lot of single women on this island, Habeeb. Yes, indeed. My company, the one that does the sex and counseling part in intimacy, it's called Bloom. Men don't identify with Bloom because of the color. So, dear men, I'm going to add another color for you. I'm going to add a nice color for you so you can interact and connect more with Bloom. But Bloom means blooming. As human beings, we're constantly blooming, we're growing, we're learning. It never stops. For me, that's what I said. If you gotten some sex education at 12, what happened between the gaps? And I say, sex will never stop. Sex will change. I want to see older couples still having intimacy, and if possible, still enjoying pleasure, still having sex. I want to see women who has illnesses still enjoying pleasure and sex. There's a way for everyone. There is a way for everyone to enjoy pleasure and sex. I want to see solo women enjoy their body. When you learn, you as a woman, about your own power, about your own body, no one can take that away from you. And your next partner will enjoy the blooming women that you are. So that's why the concept of bloom, that men and women should bloom into something beautiful till death do us part.
What if your partner only likes one way? So maybe just say if your partner is, just, I don't know, what do they call it, like vanilla, and then you're maybe a bit more adventurous. How do you address that?
It's sometimes you have to get the other part to just understand your brain, what does give you those goosebumps. And you don't always have to like what the other one like, but you can please each other. That's why the word pleasing comes to play. I'm pleasing you. I'm doing things that I might not enjoy, but I'm watching you enjoy. And that should give you pleasure as well during sex. But we should be more talkative to each other. Maybe I like to be blindfolded. Maybe I like certain smell of candles. Maybe I like to be touched in a certain way with a sort of rhythm. That's the beauty of being in a couple, that you can learn from each other and you can try what the other one likes as well. But if it's not your thing, it's okay. But it's all about pleasing your partner. I mean, everything I've learned from Dutch books and English book, everything, man, everything is in here, in this small book. I'm amazed. Nice job, really. We are all joining forces. It's for the same cause, closing the orgasm gap and pleasure for all. Like I said to many women here on the island, the revolution is coming. We should come as well, just like the men.
I love
You
that.
see
I
here
would have
what I
loved.
have? It's the power to the pussy.